With just 2 incredibly easy steps, you can apply Paula's Choice 1 Retinol treatment every single night without worrying about peeling or irritation. This is the ultimate secret to achieving that flawless, hydrated, Korean glass skin. Have you ever spent a fortune on this exact bottle of retinol, only to end up with red, inflamed, and stinging skin after just 2 days of use? You probably shoved it in the back of your cabinet and swore off strong treatments forever. Well, today, I am going to show you exactly how to tame this highly potent 1% formula. Let's get started. First, we need to address the elephant in the room. Why is a 1% concentration so terrifying for beginners, yet absolutely worth every penny? This specific Paula's Choice 1 Retinol treatment is a clinical grade product, meaning it is formulated to deliver aggressive, visible results, unlike cheaper alternatives that do absolutely nothing. This bottle justifies its premium price tag through a highly advanced ingredient matrix. It does not just rely on raw retinol. It is brilliantly formulated with vitamin C to brighten, peptides to firm, and licorice root extract to immediately soothe the skin. This unique combination is exactly why it is a top-tier anti-aging powerhouse. Now, let me walk you through the ultimate technique to avoid the dreaded retinol burn. We are going to use the famous sandwich method. Step 1 is your base layer. After cleansing, apply a deeply hydrating toner or a soothing vitamin B5 serum. You must wait about 3 full minutes to let your skin dry completely. Applying retinol to damp skin will drastically increase absorption and cause severe irritation. Step 2 is the star of the show. Take exactly 1 single pump of your Paula's Choice 1 Retinol treatment, which is about the size of a black bean. Do not use more than this amount. Place 5 small dots on your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin, and gently spread it out into a very thin, even layer. Step 3 is your protective seal. Lock everything in with a rich, nourishing ceramide moisturizer. This creates a protective buffer that slows down the retinol absorption just enough to prevent peeling, while still allowing it to work its magic overnight. If you are a beginner, your application schedule is just as crucial as your technique. For weeks 1 and 2, strictly limit your use to only 2 nights per week. As your skin builds tolerance, you can increase it to 3 nights per week during weeks 3 and 4. I also need to give a quick but important disclaimer. Experiencing a mild purging phase, where you might see a few tiny whiteheads, is completely normal as your cell turnover speeds up. However, if you experience severe redness, burning, or painful cystic breakouts, stop using it immediately. Skincare is deeply personal, so please use this at your own risk and consult a dermatologist if you have highly reactive skin. Before you start this journey, there is a massive trap you need to avoid. The market is currently flooded with counterfeit Paula's Choice products sold at shockingly low prices. Please do not destroy your precious skin barrier just to save a few dollars. To make sure you get the authentic, safe formula, I have carefully selected and linked the official Paula's Choice 1 Retinol treatment on Amazon right below in the video description. I also pinned that exact link in the top comment for you. Just so you know, that is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and it really helps support this channel. Click that link to get the genuine product with absolute peace of mind. And here's the most important thing that will happen next when you start using strong retinol. Your skin's natural protective barrier will temporarily become slightly thinner. To maintain that perfect glass skin look, you absolutely must know how to repair and rebuild that barrier correctly. I have a dedicated video breaking down the top 3 ceramide moisturizers that pair perfectly with retinol to prevent any damage. Click the video on your screen right now to learn exactly which moisturizer you need. I will see you over there.